Out here working on Nicholson and finishing some clear coat on something my daughter did for me. So for Christmas, I wanted a new welding helmet. And my lovely wife bought me one. The one I wanted. An Eastwood XL9300. However, I had my daughter Selena void the warranty for me. Look at that. That's her first time ever doing airbrush. She even got the storm in there for barnstorming. She took the inspiration off one of my old motorcycle helmets. I love how she even got the Eastwood in there. Look at that. Well, when you're ready to get some airbrushing done, I'm sure she's going to be looking for opportunities. Y'all take it easy. Thanks for all you do. God bless.